In the darkest depths of our oceans, where sunlight dares not reach, there exists a world untouched by human eyes. A realm of perpetual darkness, crushing pressures and scalding heat, where life finds a way to not only survive, but thrive. Today we are about to embark on an incredible journey to unveil the mysteries of life on underwater volcanoes. You will be amazed by the creatures that have adapted to this extreme environment and witness the beauty of fire and life intertwined. But before we dive into this fiery abyss, let us take a moment to appreciate the rarity of what we are about to see. Capturing the wonders of underwater volcanoes on camera is no easy feat. These elusive geological formations, often hidden beneath thousands of meters of seawater, present a formidable challenge for filmmakers. The immense pressure and unforgiving terrain make it difficult for camera crews to venture too close without risking their equipment. Additionally, the scorching temperatures around these hydrothermal vents can easily damage sensitive camera gear, limiting the ability to capture footage. But our dedicated team of explorers and filmmakers have overcome these obstacles to bring you a glimpse into this mesmerizing world. Through their hard work and technological advancements, they have developed specialized camera systems that can withstand the crushing pressures and high temperatures found near underwater volcanoes. Now, with bated breath, we are about to witness the remarkable discoveries that await us as we explore the depths together. Prepare to be mesmerized by the vibrant colors and bizarre shapes that greet us in this alien-like landscape. Our journey begins in the frigid waters of the Pacific Ocean, where towering underwater volcanoes dominate the landscape. Sunlight struggles to penetrate these colossal formations, leaving us in a world of perpetual twilight. As we descend further, the water pressure intensifies, creating a silent world devoid of sound. Yet amidst this crushing pressure and frigid temperatures, life finds a way to not only survive but flourish. Enter the hydrothermal vents, also known as black smokers. These openings spew forth scalding water heated by the Earth's core, creating an oasis of warmth in the icy depths. Around these vents, entire ecosystems thrive. Communities of bizarre creatures with no eyes or need for food have evolved to survive in this extreme environment. Creatures like the giant scaly-foot snail, which uses its muscular foot to crawl along the volcanic terrain. Its shell serves as both a home and a shield against the harsh conditions. These snails are just the beginning of the wonders we will encounter. As we continue our descent, we will witness an array of extraordinary creatures, each more fascinating than the last. Prepare to encounter the Pompeii worm, a marine polychaete that lives within the scalding waters of hydrothermal vents. This remarkable creature has adapted to the crushing pressures and lack of oxygen in its extreme environment. It feeds on bacteria that grow near the vents, utilizing a mucus-covered proboscis to gather its nourishment. Then there's the Yeti crab, a species of decapod that has been dubbed the sea's version of Bigfoot. These hairy crabs were discovered relatively recently, and their dense fur helps them withstand the scalding temperatures of deep-sea volcanoes. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem by filtering bacteria and organic matter from the water, creating a rich habitat for other creatures. We will also encounter the giant tube worm, a segmented marine worm that grows to astonishing lengths of up to 8 feet. These sedentary creatures anchor themselves to the seafloor with a specialized structure called a holdfast, which allows them to withstand the powerful currents around hydrothermal vents. They form dense colonies, creating a unique underwater forest of swaying tubes. The volcanic landscape itself is a sight to behold, with its jagged peaks and crevices teeming with life. Hydrothermal vents create a surreal moonscape of black, white, and rainbow colors, offering a stark contrast to the familiar blue of the ocean. As we venture deeper into this fiery abyss, we will encounter creatures that seem straight out of a science fiction movie. Prepare to be amazed by the translucent bodies of deep-sea jellyfish that drift through the water with ethereal grace. Their stinging cells are a defense mechanism against predators, while their bioluminescent properties allow them to communicate and lure unsuspecting prey. We will also witness the strange and mesmerizing dance of the anglerfish. These fish are equipped with a bioluminescent lure that they use to attract prey in the darkness. Their large mouths and expandable stomachs allow them to consume prey much larger than themselves. And let us not forget the bizarre and elusive octopus. These intelligent creatures have no bones, allowing them to squeeze through narrow crevices and hunt their prey with lightning speed. Their color-changing abilities enable them to camouflage themselves, making them masters of disguise in the deep sea. As our journey continues, we will encounter even more astonishing creatures that have defied the odds and thrived in this extreme environment. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer diversity of life that exists even in the most inhospitable conditions. And as we witness the delicate balance of this ecosystem, we will gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Throughout our exploration, you'll witness the symbiotic relationships that have developed between the creatures and their environment. Some organisms rely on the heat from the vents to provide the energy they need to survive, while others feed on the bacteria that flourish in these extreme conditions. The underwater volcano itself becomes a hub of activity, supporting a rich diversity of species that have adapted to its fiery embrace. The colors of this underworld are nothing short of spectacular. Imagine a palette of shimmering purples, fiery oranges, and ghostly whites set against a backdrop of inky black. The hydrothermal vents emit a ghostly blue light, illuminating the bizarre creatures that call this place home. Bioluminescence, the ability of some organisms to produce their own light, adds another layer of wonder to this underwater spectacle. Creatures like the jellyfish and anglerfish light up the darkness with their ethereal glow, creating a magical underwater wonderland. As we continue our descent, the colors become more intense. The black smokers with their scalding plumes stand out against the inky black backdrop like fiery beacons. The vents themselves emit a rainbow of colors, from the deep red of iron sulfide to the brilliant blue of copper sulfide. The contrasting hues create a mesmerizing display that seems almost otherworldly. Venturing deeper still, we find ourselves in the heart of the abyss. Here, the temperature rises dramatically, reaching scorching heights of up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet life somehow finds a way to not only survive in this furnace-like environment, but to flourish. We will encounter creatures with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in such extreme heat. One such marvel is the extremophile bacteria that form the basis of the food chain in these volcanic regions. These hardy microorganisms have the ability to survive in conditions that would obliterate most life forms. They harness the energy released from the hydrothermal vents to carry out chemosynthesis, a process of creating organic matter from inorganic substances. These bacteria serve as the primary producers in this ecosystem, providing the energy needed to sustain the bizarre creatures that inhabit these depths. The sheer resilience of life in the face of such extreme conditions is truly awe-inspiring. Despite the absence of sunlight and the hostile environment, life finds a way to not only survive, but to thrive. The volcanic vents become oases of activity, teeming with creatures that have evolved to exploit the unique conditions. As we explore further, we will uncover the secrets of these remarkable organisms and gain a deeper understanding of the tenacity of life in the most extreme environments on Earth. Our journey to the underwater volcano reveals a world of fire and life, a realm where molten rock meets the icy depths of the ocean. In this mesmerizing realm, life not only survives but thrives in the face of scorching temperatures, crushing pressures, and perpetual darkness. The hydrothermal vents, also known as black smokers, become the focal point of this fiery abyss. These enigmatic openings spew forth scalding water heated by the Earth's core, creating oases of warmth in the frigid depths. Around these vents, strange and wonderful creatures have evolved to thrive in the most inhospitable conditions. The giant scaly-foot snail, The Pompeii worm, the Yeti crab, and the giant tube worm are just a few examples of the bizarre inhabitants that call this extreme environment home. Their unique adaptations allow them to withstand the harsh conditions and carve out their existence in this fiery underworld. As we venture deeper into this volcanic realm, we are greeted by a spectacle of colors that defy the perpetual darkness. Bioluminescence, the ability of organisms to produce their own light, transforms the abyss into a magical underwater wonderland. Jellyfish, anglerfish, and octopus light up the darkness with their ethereal glow, creating a mesmerizing display of natural beauty. The colors intensify as we approach the heart of the volcano, where the temperature soars to unimaginable heights. Despite the scorching heat, life persists. Extremophile bacteria form the basis of the food chain, harnessing the energy of the hydrothermal vents to create organic matter. These hardy microorganisms provide the sustenance needed to support the diverse array of creatures that have adapted to this extreme environment. Our journey to the underwater volcano has been nothing short of extraordinary. We have witnessed the tenacity of life in the face of scorching temperatures, crushing pressures, and perpetual darkness. The hydrothermal vents, with their scalding plumes and eerie glow, create a mesmerizing spectacle that showcases the raw power of nature. The bizarre creatures that inhabit this fiery abyss, from the colorful corals to the bioluminescent jellyfish, serve as a reminder of the endless wonders that await us in the depths of our oceans. As we reflect on our experiences in this underwater wonderland, we are left in awe of the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. The volcanic vents, with their harsh conditions and lack of sunlight, may seem like an inhospitable place, but life finds a way to not only survive, but to thrive. The discovery of extremophile bacteria, the foundation of the food chain in this extreme environment, highlights the incredible biodiversity that exists even in the most challenging conditions. The underwater volcano reminds us that our planet is full of surprises and that there is still so much to explore and discover. From the majestic whale sharks to the bioluminescent wonders of the deep sea, our oceans continue to captivate and amaze us. So let us continue to delve into the mysteries of the deep, for there is always something extraordinary waiting to be found.